I totaled my new car 15 minutes after I got it. Make sure to check out that video if you want to laugh at me. She's pretty. I mean, not that she's really dirty, but she's still pretty. Alright, my guys, we are going to visit Crucial Wraps in Lancaster, PA. They are working on a Ford truck right now. They're doing a matte black on it, and we're just gonna go by and check it out. So let's do it.
No one tells me differently.
Where's that one?
It's a couple blocks down. But yeah, there's everything from just a regular Kia to fancy race cars over there too.
We will never be comparable.
Big thanks to Matt from Crucial Wraps for letting me come on by and watch him in his process and check out Classic Shine and their showroom. It was great to see what they have going on. That was really cool. Wrapping is just awesome. If you haven't really dealt with wrapping, it's a really cool thing to watch people do. It's an art, it's talent, it's really prideful work, and I really love it. Just being able to watch and see somebody do what they like to do, and that's what Matt's doing, so big thanks to him for letting me come by. Right now I'm on my way to pick up my friend Austin, and we're going to go pick out the pieces from the wrecked Civic at the tow place. So we're gonna have to get some of those, like the sound system he has in the car he has subs and a head unit and some speakers that we want to get out. So I'm going to pick him up and we're gonna go do that. Yeah, so let's go. She is. Fires up in a second, but yeah, I'm pretty happy that I'm not dead. So thanks Brenda for the help on staying alive. Oh, nice.
In the center console there?
Yeah. Alright, so we took the subs, took the spare, the muffler was in the back, the whole sound system, taking everything we can to get a buck off this car. So we went through, we took out the head unit, and we had speakers in the doors, we had a sub, we had nice speakers back there, we took the spare, we took a bunch. Are these any good? No, they're old and rusty. But anything, you know. Lame.
Won't come off.
Could use some inspection stickers. I almost just broke this man's arm. Alright, well, let's see all of our loot. 2 hubcaps, a headlight, a spare tire, a battery, stock head unit, upgraded head unit. We have this hose, the jack. So yeah, we got some stuff. Alright, my dude, say your final goodbyes to Brenda.
Goodbye, Brenda. I'll miss
From
you.
humble beginnings to where it is now. Bye, buddy. Goodbye. Well, we got a bunch of stuff out of Brenda, if we tried to sell everything that we have in the back right now, we would probably get more than the car's actually worth. So we did all right. Maybe insurance will give me $1 or $2 because it technically have the same coverage as my Infiniti. So thanks for coming along with me to Crucial Wraps and to the garage to take all of the stuff out of the Civic. If you enjoyed it at all, or even didn't, hit that thumbs button. Hit that thumbs up button anyway. Say hi in the comments section below. Hit that subscribe button, please. I need to get to 1,000 subscribers by February 20th, or I lose AdSense funding. Check out the channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Sean being Sean. Just being me. Just be you.
I'm not with the rest, no.